Okay, welcome to this quick overview of a talking thermometer. Today we'll be looking at how to quickly turn on and use the thermometer. You will find that it comes in a little sheath initially. There is a clip on it which will allow you to, if you are wearing an apron, hook it onto your apron, or if you have some string in the kitchen, to actually hang it somewhere to keep it out of the way. There is also a hook on the end of the device which will allow you to put a lanyard loop through it to allow you to put it around your neck as well if required. So to use the device, we first take it out of its holstering sheath, and on the device you'll find that there is one button and one button only. We push and hold it for 3 seconds. You'll hear a beep, at which point it is now on. And pushing the button once again,
21.4 degrees
it
Celsius.
will read the temperature we are at, which is the current room temperature. Now, to actually lower the temperature, you can do such a thing as putting it into a mug or a glass of cold water. And once it's in,
20.4 degrees
it will read
Celsius.
the temperature as it is,
20.4 degrees Celsius.
and then it will begin to slowly change depending on the temperature. It will not immediately read a new temperature.
15.1 degrees
So that
Celsius.
we can see it has now gone down.
15.1 degrees Celsius.
Whereas if we now take it across to a warmer temperature,
51.6
but give it a second
degrees
and it'll
Celsius.
raise to the new temperature.
51.6
One other thing you
degrees
need to be very
Celsius.
cautious of with using the actual thermometer is it is a very short probe at the end which is active, so you can push it through whatever you're trying to measure or not go in deep enough so you are getting a partial temperature at an edge and not in the center where you want it. Once you're finished with your device, to turn it off, you just press the button again for 3 seconds. It'll beep to indicate you can now turn it off. From there, it's always best immediately to give it a wipe down with a wet cloth with some detergent to clean it off and ensure that it is ready for use when you need it again later on. Then dry it, and again putting it into its holster so you can either hang it up to put it away or it's protected in the drawer where you put it. Also be mindful of with the device is batteries in it. Because the thermometer can be left in a drawer unattended and not used for a period of time, because we're not always using these to cook, the batteries can sometimes leak and cause other issues. It's probably recommended that if you are potentially not going to be using your thermometer regularly, take the batteries out just to be sure and keep a set on hand for when you are going to use it.